South America, the Amazon rainforest. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Show the cheese.
Tirana. They show the teeth only when they are eating. Yes. For now they are not going to show because they are not eating. We starve them. We feed them only twice a week.
Twice a week?
Only twice a week. That's when we feed them. We feed them Tuesdays and Fridays. You understand now? That's why we have the water here. They keep tilapia fish. That's why we give them. Yes, tilapia fish.
Join us at Dubai Aquarium, where we honor the intricate link between indigenous.
Girls, they have lunch. They can sleep inside the water and outside the water. And babies. Salama. Yes. No, don't bite. Yeah. You will scratch it. You're going to scratch the animal? No, don't do that, okay?
Deforestation for agriculture, illegal logging and fires. Through education and engagement, we can inspire actions that protect these vital natural resources, ensuring they continue to breathe life into our planet.
Only take rest in one spot because they know with the energy, like that, they can live 1 to 2 years without food. Yeah, without food. Our heavy only feed them half chicken after every 1 day, not even every day. Like maybe more than his